Hello, in this video, we will present a case study on displaying prime numbers. We will write a program that displays the first 50 prime numbers in 5 lines, each containing 10 numbers. An integer greater than 1 is prime if its only positive divisor is 1 or itself. For example, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11 are prime numbers, but 4, 6, 8, 9, 10 are not. The problem can be broken into the following tasks. We need to determine whether a given number is prime. So now we're going to look at for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, every of these numbers, test whether the number is prime. In the process, we're going to count the prime numbers. If it's prime, we're going to increase the count. And finally, we're going to display each prime number. We're going to display 10 numbers prime. Let's see how we're going to do this 10 numbers prime. So let's write this program here in the pseudocode. We're going to set the number of prime numbers to be displayed as a constant number of primes. Use count to track the number of prime numbers and set an initial count to 0. Set an initial number to 2. So we're going to check 2, 3, 4. So that's the number. While count is less than number of primes, so number of primes is 50, so we're going to test if this number is prime. If the number is prime, we're going to display the prime number and increase count. In any case, we're going to look for the next number, see if it's a prime, increment number by 1. So we're going to look at this code. Hey, how do you know if a number is prime? So to do this, we look for the possible divisors for this number. If number is divisible by this divisor, so that it is not a prime, so its prime is set to false. So what about this divisor? With divisor, we're going to start from this 2, 3, and all the way to the half of this number plus 1. So here is this number divided by 2. And because we use range, so this is plus 1. And so then you go to go through the last number is number divided by 2. All right, so now whenever you look at this test, if this is true, its divisor is found, this is prime is false, exit the loop. If you checked everything, you did not find divisor after this for loop, and then this is prime. So we're going to write this program now. This is the constant number of primes per line, that's 10. And this is a count is now 0. And this is to track the number of primes. And number, that's the number we're going to test. So if it's a prime 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, this is where to go. And we're going to display the first 50 prime numbers. So look, this is the Y. Count is less than number of primes. So let's find the next prime. Is prime is set to true now. And divisor starting from 2. So we're going to look for the divisor is less than or equal to number divided by 2. So look, if this is a divisor and that is false, is prime, is false, and break. Otherwise, we go to look for the next divisor. So that's how we continue this process. Is prime, if is prime, count for the number of primes is increment by 1. And we're going to print this. How are we going to print? We just print this in the format here. 5 positions, this decimal integer, and print this number and end with nothing. So this is But now we are going to look at this count. If it's divisible by number of primes per line, then we're going to start a new line. And this will continue and to check for the next number until we have 50 numbers. So we can write this program why this count is less than number of primes. So then we are going to look at this. Now, so this is number divisible by this divisor is true. So this is not a prime break. And this is, look for the next divisor. And here we are going to have this if is prime. Oh, no, this is prime right here. So if this is divisible by 10, so this is going to be, this is count, and the number of primes line is equal to 0. So this, we're going to start a new line. All right, so let's run this program. Now, instead of using this 50, let me use 55 numbers. So let's get 55 number primes. So let's run this. Now, you see, this is what we have. So that's 55 prime numbers. I'm going to slightly modify this program now. There are many ways to write a program. Instead of using while loop, I'm going to use a for loop here. So this is going to be for divisor in range. So this is the range here is starting from 2 and to this number divided by 2 plus 1. So we can have this integer division here. Now, we don't need this divisor. And so divisor is here. So this is right here. All right, so that's one improvement, just a different way to write it, slightly shorter. So we don't have to have this divisor now. Okay, so let's just make sure this is correct. That's what you do when you write a code, incrementally improve your program, add one piece of code, test it, and then add more. So let's write the program now. Run. So everything's fine. It works all right. So now I'm going to also check on this one here, rewrite this part of the code. So I can write this code now. It is this. I'm going to put this condition right for this right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this if here. So I'm going to do this. This is my character here. If this condition is true, so there's nothing I'm going to end this. So else I'm going to end with this character, new line. So let's give it a try now. And we have one syntax error. So here we have to put else here. Now you're going to see now what problems we have is this, or look here. So the reason we are having this is we are getting this wrong. So this has to be here. If this is divisible by this number of primes per line, so we have to do this. Otherwise, we have to do nothing. So now let's run this program that is correct. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video.